Y'all, we're going to tell you how to unload and unload the right way. More or less. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, y'all, before we get this video started, y'all make sure y'all smash that freaking like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like it. But if you do, go ahead and hit it now. Like and subscribe, y'all. Stay tuned for the video. What's up, everybody? Trying to come back at you with another, I promise, short video, y'all. I am here. I am actually at the customer. Let me show you. We are here in Cleveland, Ohio. We are in this little old place right here. It is tight. But y'all see that hose back there? Yep. Y'all see my weight gauge here? That's my axle gauge. Y'all see she's counting down. So we are getting unloaded. Now there is a caveat to that. I got loaded last night. In Cleveland, Tennessee. I'm up here in Cleveland, Ohio. Well, the bills didn't say when it delivers. Said nothing about when it delivers on the bills. Usually we figure, hey, it's like more or less it could be a 2-day deal. I mean, because a lot of drivers, they won't leave that day. They'll wait and leave next morning. But it's only 608 miles or 609 miles up here. So you can do that in a day. So I actually did it in like nine hours. Of course, I try to take my time too, but I called. Pick up a phone and call. I called, left a voicemail because I didn't get anybody. Asked for shipping and receiving. They transferred me. Got voicemail. So I left a message saying, hey, look, this is the product I have. The bills don't specify what day it needs to deliver. So can someone get back with me and let me know, do you have room for this? Will you take it? Or should I wait until tomorrow to come in? Just let me know, because there's no truck stops around here. So I need to know where to stop. Do I stop freaking, 40, 50 miles short? Because there's really no close truck stops around here that you want to take a chance at. Because you get here the wrong time of day. Locals have it because there's a little pilot down the road, but looking at the selling, there's not many spots. So left a message, never heard back. A couple hours later, never heard back. I'm like, okay, so let's go ahead and come here and take the chance. Get here. Oh yeah, the loader's fine. The shipping guy, he's fine. But then there's a lady that comes out. Nice lady. She wasn't sure whether I was a man or a woman. She saw me from behind and saw the long hair. So she come up to the truck and then she's like, oh, okay. But she's like, you're not supposed to be here till tomorrow. I'm like, I'm sorry. The bills didn't say exactly when it's scheduled to deliver, so I called and left a message. It's like, well, who'd you call? I said, I asked for the shipping and receiving department, and then I left a message. I said, this was this morning I left. She's like, okay. She's like, well, I'm the one that does the ordering, so yeah, I have it scheduled for tomorrow. Like, next time, ask directly for me. I'm like, okay, so I got a computer, laptop, and all that. So I did put her name in my computer. So now I've got her saved there. So next time I get a load, ask directly for her. Hey, will you take it or do we need to wait another? Of course, I haven't run this load in like a year and a half. It's been a while since I've run this load. I only ran it once. And that was like a year and a half ago. So I don't really remember much about it. I just remember that it was tight getting in and tight getting out. Very small streets. We're talking, I was scared my mirror was going to rip the freaking telephone poles right on the freaking edge of the road. I mean, I'm sweating the car beside me looking in, and I'm look like I'm barely fitting in the lanes trying to get down there. But I am getting unloaded, y'all. So I always say call, ask permission. Hey, and if not, kind of go there, play dumb. But I did call. So I did leave a message. So I did try. I did my due diligence of trying to say, hey, do you have room? And she said, yes, they do have room. It's just that normally if the guy's already gone, and luckily there's only 2 people here that know how to unload here, and luckily the guy's still here. So the guy's like, yeah, I was getting ready to leave. He's like, but hey, since you're here, I'm gonna go ahead and unload you. Whew. So that works perfect. So, but yeah, so always call. But you can always get a chance of getting unloaded, y'all. Work smarter, not harder, y'all. So now I can get unloaded and get on back to Georgia. I'm still waiting to hear what's the plan. Is there work for me, or am I going home? Because we're coming up towards the end of the week. So, you know, it's New Year's Eve weekend, holiday weekend. So, you know, people are going to be doing the same thing just like Christmas. They don't want to work on New Year's Eve. They don't want to work on New Year's Day. So, it is what it is. So, I just figured, hey, let me know. If I'm going home, I'll go home, and then I'll go ahead and my boat will be up because there's a tank wash like 6 miles down the road, and I've already called them. They said I could park there. So it shows it very small. But like, yeah, we can wash out and you can park here, you know, finish it, break. I'm like, sweet. So I'm going to freaking get the tank wash there, and then about freaking 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm out of here, y'all. My butt be rolling back to Georgia if they don't have anything else. So, like I say, y'all, work smarter, not harder, y'all. Catch you on the next video, y'all. Peace out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.